Sneezes start as a tiny spark in the nose when irritants trip a delicate reflex and force a dramatic burst of air. Scientists explain that this burst helps clear the nasal passages while also delivering a brief, shared moment of human connection worldwide. Common myths say cold air is the culprit, but allergies, viruses, and bright light can spark a sneeze too in curious cases. Some sneezes can reach speeds over 100 kilometers per hour, leaving listeners amazed and scientists impressed by the body's surprising power. The next time a neighbor sneezes, remember this small act may reveal a remarkable blend of biology, history, and a pinch of whimsy.